Good morning, children. Hope you have completed the first chapter notes that I have given. Okay, now we are moving to the second chapter. That is, see how I work. So, this chapter is also related to our body parts. Okay, so we consist of two types of organs. Okay, one is external organs, another one is internal organs. First one is external organs. External organs and internal organs. Okay. So this external organs means what? External. What? Yes. External means the organs which we can see. Okay. That are known as external organs. See, we can see our eyes. Okay. Then what about ears? Ears also we can see. Hands, legs, all these are external organs. And like that we have internal organs also. But if we are able to see, no. But they all are functioning. Functioning means what? Working. Okay, but we are not able to see. So, both these external and internal organs together are functioning. Okay, so external organs means, example, what? Eyes, ears, hands, etc. Okay, then next is internal organs. Internal organs. Do you know which are the internal organs of a human body? You know? Okay, today we are going to discuss about internal organs of a body. Okay, so internal organs means what? The organs which are inside our body, which is known as, or they are known as internal organs. Okay, children, but we are not able to see. We are not able to see, but they are always functioning. They are always functioning. Okay. So here, brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, bones and muscles are some of our internal organs. So, which are the internal organs? Brain, then heart, then lungs, then stomach, kidneys, then bones and muscles. Okay, these are some of the internal organs. Only a few internal organs. Okay, so about all these internal organs we are going to discuss in this second chapter. The name is See How I Work. I work means human beings work. Okay, so the first one is brain. What? First one is brain. So these organs are of two types, that is internal organs and external organs. Okay, external organs means, which are the external organs? Example, yes, eyes, ears, hands, legs, nose, like that. And internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, bones, muscles and so many internal organs are there, but we are not able to see. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about all these internal organs. So first one is brain. First one is brain. You know children where the brain is located? You know where? Yes, inside our head. But if you are able to see, the brain? No, because it is an internal organ. Now we can go through the what's the function or how it works, that we are going to discuss. Okay, so this brain, it is located inside our head. Okay children, so next one what? So it is located inside our head. One point is it is located inside our head. Okay, then what's the function of a brain? See, this brain, no, it controls all other organs of a body. Understood? This brain, it will control all other parts of a body. So it controls all other parts of a body. Then what? This brain. See, this brain, it helps us to remember, to learn. See, if a teacher is giving some notes or teacher is teaching a lesson and told you to complete the notes or telling like that, means this brain will be helping you to learn. Okay, helping you to learn, to think. If a teacher is asking some questions, means you will be thinking what will be the answer. You will be thinking, give your finger like this and you will be thinking. Okay, so what is helping you to think? Which organ? Yes, this brain. So this brain will be helping you to think and then to remember. Okay, so this brain helps us to remember, to think, and then what helps us to think, remember and to learn. Okay, so first one is the brain is located inside our head and then it controls all other parts of our body and it helps us to think, remember and learn. And this we said what, this brain controls all other parts of our body. So how we can say that this brain is controlling all other parts of our body? That is one example. See, if a hot object is there and we touch it, what will happen? Our hand will burn and what we will do? We will suddenly pull our hands. It is because the brain receives the signal from the sense organ. Sense organ means, which is the sense organ here? See, touching. That is the skin. Okay. So that touching, that signal from the sense organ. So and helps us to think and act. So what's happening here? So this brain receives the signal from the sense organ and what we are doing? We will be pulling the hand. We will pull the hand from that hot object. Okay. Then what next is we have to take care of our brain. See children, you have to sleep 8 hours. Okay, you have to sleep 8 hours. See, we should sleep for 8 hours at least. So at least for 8 hours you must sleep. Okay, then what? While traveling you must wear a helmet. That you already know. While traveling in a motorcycle you have to wear a helmet. It's very important, or it's very important for the safety of our brain. Okay, so that's about what? Brain. Okay, next is heart. Next is heart. Heart means it is another important part of our body. Okay, heart. This heart, it is located on the left side of our chest. Okay, so it is left side. It is located. What? Heart. It is located at the where left side of the chest. It is located at the left side of the chest. And what is the function of this heart? It pumps blood to all part of our body. Okay, what's the function? Function means what? It pumps blood. It pumps blood to all part of our body. Okay, to all part of our body. So that's it. Next is, so here the heart pumps. The pictures are given in your content book. Okay, so these pictures of all the internal organs is given in the content book, page 9, 10, 11. Okay, so here this is the heart. Okay, so here the heart pumps blood to the whole body and it is located at the left side of the chest. It is located at the left side of the chest. And children, how we can take care of this heart? How? You know, by doing light exercise. Okay, okay. By doing light exercise and also eating healthy food. Healthy food means what? Healthy food, pizza, burger, all these are healthy food? Huh? No. So which type of food you have to eat? Yes, what? Fruits, vegetables, milk. Okay, milk, all these are healthy food items. So you have to eat good food. Okay, healthy food for the proper functioning of this human heart. Okay. Next is what? So first one is brain, second one heart, then next one is lungs. Lungs, it is another internal organ. What? Lungs. So lungs. Lungs, what's the function of this lungs? It helps us to breathe. Lungs means it helps us to breathe. Okay children, it helps us to breathe. Then we have two lungs. How many lungs? We have two lungs. Okay, and it is located on both sides of our chest. Okay, either sides of our chest, and it helps us to breathe. It helps us to breathe. Okay, and then here this is the picture of the chest, human chest. Okay, and we breathe the air in. See, if we breathe the air in, if we take air in, means this lungs, no, it will, what will happen to this lungs? This it will expand. Okay, if we take air in, means this lungs, it will expand. Okay, it will become larger. Okay, like balloons. Okay, children. And then if we breathe out, if we are releasing air, means what will happen? This lungs will contract. Okay, so when we breathe in air, means it will expand, and if we breathe out, means what will happen? This lungs will contract. Okay, so in this class what we have discussed this about this internal organs. So first we have discussed external. External organs means what? External organs means that we can see. Okay, they are known as external organs, and this internal organs means we are not able to see, but they are functioning. Okay, and we have discussed about 3 internal organs, that is brain, heart and lungs. Okay, children, and today itself you have to go through this topic. Okay, and this new words now you have to write it in your rough note and study it, learn it. Okay, see you in the next class.